It's so cool opening up a first aid kit and seeing product made right here in the heart of Buffalo, New York.
When you purchase from Safetec, you're getting more than just a quality product. You're supporting the people, our secret sauce.
Hi, my name is Miles McDowell.
Hi, I'm Dave Gilo.
Hi, I'm Dana Simkowiak.
And hi, my name is Corey O'Brien.
My name is Mo.
My name is Anthony Joya.
Steve Vanderbosch.
Hi, I'm Allison Devonshire.
My name is Susie.
I'm Taylor Russo. I've been here at Safetec since 2016, so it's been almost 7 years now.
20 years.
I've been working here for 9 years.
I have been with Safetec for 9.5 years.
5 years.
4 years.
For 14 years.
I've been with Safetec for almost 4 years now.
That started when I was 23 here, so I'm 30 years old now.
What I think sets Safetec apart from other companies is the sense that I can go and knock on anybody's door and ask a question. I can talk to the vice president of sales. I can talk to the CFO.
As of now, I've actually been promoted to batcher.
Project coordinator.
I'm the Director of People and Culture.
Batching and planning manager.
I am the maintenance facilities manager.
And now I'm doing team lead job.
I've grown into this great role with the business development team, helping with the private label side of the business, and I've been loving it.
We have a lot of opportunity to grow your ability.
It's a lot I love about Safetec. For one, they took a chance with me. For two, they give me opportunity. For three, it's like a family here. Everyone is really nice.
Safetec really means opportunity for growth.
The relationship I have with everyone makes my job and my day easier. We make sure that we're making a safe and effective product, and that's a really big part of my role here, and it's what I really love and enjoy doing.
We feel like we're a family, and then we have a good communication. We have products that protect people and then healing people.
We're all here with one common goal.
Nowhere else are you able to really explore.
Safetec means everything to me.
I feel like this is my home.
Yeah, it definitely saved me in a certain way.